Welcome to AI TV. We're broadcasting here from AI Expo Africa 2019, the largest AI trade show on the continent. And it's a great honor to have Emmanuel Suquet, who is the Embassy of South Africa, well, the French Embassy in South Africa.
Exactly.
Deputy Head of Mission.
Yes.
Have I got that right? That's quite
Precisely.
a mouthful.
Yeah.
That's great. So, Emmanuel, first of all, thank you for coming to the show. It's great to have you here. And I think you've probably brought the biggest team that we've got at the show. So the French contingent, you've got the Embassy, you've got French tech companies, we've got Roban, we've got the Robo Cup. It's a fantastic presence that you've brought here. But obviously that's underlying why the French government are so keen on AI, and you're obviously representing them. So tell us a little bit about what you're doing here and why France is behind AI.
No, thank you so much. Exactly, it's very exciting for us to be at AI Expo today and tomorrow in Cape Town. This is the biggest AI show in Africa, so for us it was really important to be here. And I think you just said it, the French President Emmanuel Macron actually wants France and Europe to invest in AI because he believes in the potential of AI. It has multiple applications, as we all know, like medical applications, helping people have a better life when they have handicaps, for example, or robotics, as you mentioned. Mm-hmm. So for us it was really important, and so yes, we have several French experts in the field of AI in this show, and notably the quadruple soccer champion, World Cup champion, right. Roban, the French team, which is based in Bordeaux, south of France. And next year, in June 2020, Bordeaux and France will host the next edition of the Robotics Soccer World Cup. And so we are very excited about that, and we hope that the South African team will be able to participate in this competition.
Yeah, I mean, actually, they're actually running a workshop for that very thing. So one of the things that we're doing at the Expo is essentially trying to encourage young engineers, students to get involved in what is normally a trade show, and it's normally quite expensive to come to these things. So we make it free for them to come. And one of the workshops is being run by Roban, and it is going to be introducing and I think launching the African version of the Robo Cup. Is that correct?
Yes, exactly. We want the French government wants to help the South African government to build up this South African team, who should come and participate in the next Robo Cup World Cup. It's quite exciting to see these robots. Actually, you can see them playing like real football on this expo. And the French team is quadruple champion in the kid size category, meaning that the robots have children's size, and they are
small ones, right. Okay.
and they are deemed to be more robust than the adult size robots. So it's quite interesting. But also, I think you were mentioning a key point about promoting entrepreneurs here in South Africa and in Africa. And when you look at President Ramaphosa's speech is about the fourth industrial revolution, I think the South African government has really understood that this is the future. And when it comes to the French government, we are launching here a young entrepreneur initiative, through which we will select 3 South African startups that we want to bring to France in March next year to spend 2 weeks to showcase their skills and to participate in Hello Tomorrow in Europe, which will be the biggest deep tech show in the world next year.
And how can South African tech startups get involved in that? Is there a website, or have you launched?
So it's going to happen in November. So the selection process will be run by the French Embassy in South Africa and the South African government through the Department of Science and Innovation. And so be on the lookout for the French Embassy website, because we are going to advertise on our website, and South African startups will be able to participate through this.
Well, we'll be sure to share that. We almost have now 3,000 members in our community, and as soon as that is announced, obviously, I'm sure Marion and the team will share it with us, and we'll obviously share that with our community. So it's a great initiative. So, I mean, what's your takeaway from the show so far? I mean, we came to the VIP event last night. You've obviously seen now what's going on here. What's your thoughts on AI Expo Africa at the moment?
Well, I think it really is the place where it's happening in Africa, and I'm very excited to see all the different actors coming from South Africa and much beyond on the continent. And I think, this expo reflects the kind of debates and discussions that are being held on AI. And French President Macron, for example, put forward the notion of AI for humanity. And I think this is a very important notion, meaning that AI is a great opportunity, and you can see it on this expo. I mean, take the medical field for instance. It's massive. It's huge. We can improve. AI can improve lives of people in ways that are still difficult to imagine right now. And at the same time, I was also very positively impressed with the fact that here people have also a real conscience of what AI should bring for the benefit of people. And so they are conscious about the responsibility they have as AI experts to drive AI in the right direction for the benefit of everyone.
And in terms of your role, are you permanently based in South Africa? Or?
Yeah, I am. I'm based in Pretoria, traveling across the country, and discovering this beautiful and very diverse country.
Brilliant. Well, Emmanuel, thank you very much for joining us at the show and also joining us here on AI TV. It's been a great pleasure welcoming you and the French team to the show, and thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
And,
it was a great pleasure.
Look forward to the next couple of days working with you. So,
thank you.
Yeah, brilliant.
Thank you.